Here's how to use replay buffer in OBS Studio so you can save the last few seconds or minutes of gameplay without recording the whole time. So what replay buffer does? Replay buffer keeps a rolling recording in memory. When something cool happens, you press a hotkey to save the last X seconds or minutes to a file. Perfect for capturing highlights without huge recording. To enable replay buffer, just go to your OBS settings. In settings, select output. Output mode, select advanced and select the replay buffer tab. Here, first of all, make sure to enable replay buffer. And here you can adjust maximum replay time. Example, you can select 30 seconds to 120 seconds. Higher time uses more RAM. So here I'm just adding 20 seconds and then clicking on apply and OK. And now let's assign a hotkey to save clips. Again, go to settings and select hotkeys. Here scroll down and under reply buffer section, here you get this save reply field. Here just add a key combination. Example, I'm adding F5. Once you assign a key to this save reply field, click on apply and OK. In this control section, click on start replay buffer before starting your gameplay. Now on, when something happens in game, press your hotkey and then OBS will save the last selected seconds automatically. So I'm just pressing my function key 5 and then I'm just going to file, show recordings, and here we can see the replay video successfully captured. That's it for now.